Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post-market report for the day. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market was last seen trading at 27,686, which was fairly down by 104 points. Now moving on to the Indian markets, we saw that the Nifty last closed for the day at 11,308 rupees with a downgrade of minus 14 points. In terms of percentage, we can say it was 0.12% in red. Whereas the advances are concerned, it recorded 23 advances with Nifty 50 and there were 27 declines in it with 0 unchanged stocks. Now moving on to the sectorial indices, we could see that Nifty Next 50 recorded a closing of at 27,381 rupees with a decline of 10 points. In terms of percentage, we can say it was minus 0.04% down. Whereas 20 were the advances recorded in Nifty Next 50 and 30 were the declines with 0 unchanged stocks in it. Now comes the next sector, that is Nifty Mid Cap 50. We saw a closing at 4,505 rupees with a fair hike of 25 points. 34 were the advances recorded with Nifty Mid Cap 50 and 16 were the declines, whereas there were 0 unchanged stocks. Moving on to the auto sector, Nifty Auto was recorded to be closing today at 7,785 rupees with an uptrend flow of 154 points. The advances recorded in Nifty Auto were 14, whereas the declines were 1 and unchanged stocks were 0. Now the last sectorial indices is Nifty Bank, and we saw Nifty Bank closing at 22,264. It was in green by 36 points, whereas 6 were the advances recorded in Nifty Bank and 6 declines with 0 unchanged stocks. If we see the Indian markets on the chart, we could see that the Nifty opened with a gap down, although there was a bearish trend followed by a bullish trend. There was a slow movement throughout the day. No particular high or lows were made throughout the day. If we see some of the stocks which contributed to the index, we could see HCL Tech from IT services and consulting industry, which contributed approximately 7.43. Next was SBI from Public Bank, which contributed 6.81, followed by Infosys from IT services and consulting, which contributed 4.84. Then later on there were more on the list. If we come on to the FII and DII data, we could see the total buying at FII was recorded as 1013 crores, whereas the total sales in DII was recorded as 1415 crores. Now comes the top 5 gainers and losers for the day. We could see HCL Tech, SBI Bank, Tech Mahindra, Eicher Motors, Tata Motors were the ones who were considered as the top 5 gainers for the day. Whereas on the other hand, there were companies like Cipla, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Sun Pharma, Britannia, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, which were considered as the top 5 losers for the day. But eventually HCL Tech, with a change of 4.66% in positive, was considered as the topmost gainer for the day. These are the companies which are going to announce their quarter results as of tomorrow. I have only jotted a few of them, although the list goes on. I shall read some of the good companies, some of the familiar companies with you, like Bharti Petroleum Corporation Limited, Eicher Motors Limited, GAIL India Limited, Grasim Industries Limited, Hero Motocorp Limited, Power Finance Corporation Limited. These are some of them, although the list is on. Well, that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video and haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. At the same time, click on the bell icon for timely updates. I would also request you to share this channel so that more number of people get associated with our channel. I hope to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.